Hello, what's going on everybody? So today I'm working on a new project and it is going to be this. So I took the sub that I had in my truck, pulled it out because I'm not using the truck right now, and I'm going to be putting it in my Jetta. So stay tuned as I go through and get it all set up with the amp, mounting it to the box, and then putting the capacitor on it and getting everything wired. Stay tuned. So the first thing that I wanted to do was to mount the amplifier to the sub box. I get a measurement to see what height I need to get it close to being level. After attaching the amplifier to the sub box, I then remove the old wires and then start mounting the capacitor. After getting the capacitor mounted, I then work on getting the cable set up to go from the amplifier to the capacitor. After soldering the end of the wire that's going to go from the amplifier to the capacitor, I then install it. After getting the ground wire hooked up, I then proceed to work on the positive wire. After getting that one cut to length, I then wrap that one in a separate color, that way it can be marked as positive. Now that we have both primary power cables hooked up to it, I can get the speaker wire ready to connect to the speaker. After securely attaching the cables to the back of the speaker box, I can then cut them to length and then get them put in the proper connectors. Alright, so here's the finished product. So I went through and got the capacitor wired in, got the amp screwed to the case, got the lines hooked up to go to the speaker. Now all I have to do is get this put in the Jetta. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like and subscribe.